Choosing the right cooking oil can be overwhelming, but here are some of the healthiest options. Top 5. Healthiest Cooking Oils. 1. Extra virgin olive oil EVU, which is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. EVU is ideal for low-heat cooking, dressings, and marinades. 2. Avocado oil is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Avocado oil is perfect for high-heat cooking, sautéing, and grilling. 3. Ghee clarified butter is rich in fat-soluble vitamins and conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). Ghee is ideal for high-heat cooking, baking, and making sauces. 4. Coconut oil is high in saturated fats and medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs). Coconut oil is perfect for baking, sautéing, and making desserts. 5. Grass-fed beef tallow is rich in fat-soluble vitamins and conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). Grass-fed beef tallow is ideal for high-heat cooking, frying, and making sauces. Some other healthy options: 1. Sesame oil, which is rich in antioxidants and polyunsaturated fats. Sesame oil is perfect for low-heat cooking, dressings, and marinades. Rice bran oil is high in heart-healthy unsaturated fats and antioxidants. Rice bran oil is ideal for high-heat cooking, stir-frying, and making sauces. Pumpkin seed oil is also rich in antioxidants and polyunsaturated fats. Pumpkin seed oil is perfect for low-heat cooking, dressings, and marinades. Now, what to avoid? 1. Partially hydrogenated oils is not recommended. Avoid oils with trans fats like partially hydrogenated soybean or corn oil. 2. High omega-6 oils is also not healthy. Limit oils high in omega-6 fatty acids like soybean, corn, or sunflower oil. 3. Avoid refined oils like canola or vegetable oil, which may contain chemicals and lack nutrients. Remember to always choose high-quality, cold-pressed, and expeller-pressed oils to ensure you're getting the best nutritional benefits. Thanks for watching.